children to poverty. Men are a connecting cable between the past and the future. That's why between our legs there is a cable that is hanging. This cable is intended to connect the past and the... Before you connect, double check on the piece of land that you are connecting to, because that land is responsible for bringing up your next generation. You can't connect with your eyes closed, as many of us do. You must open your eyes and see the land before you connect. That's why you must use your brain first before you use your cable. Respect your history. Or let me speak like an African. Respect your ancestors. Ask me why. They lie in the grave, but they are buried in your genes. When you hold your cable, you are holding all of them together.